And good morning YouTube. Another quick video today. I'm starting the day off easy, so I'm going to do a screen capture from my normal account on my phone for the community portal at www.simplydiag.net. We'll just see what's happened over the last day. So we'll click on here, we will enter the portal, top left. I want to go to new posts, we'll deselect unread, and then we'll just have a look through the posts. So the first one there, we've got a Toyota Celica that's got IGF signal DTCs that we're currently looking at. The next post, we're talking about with one of our partners making custom 4mm banana adapters for the OTC test lights, so we can actually use them in series and plug them into 4mm connectors, bigger alligator clips, all that sort of stuff. Then we've got 3 webinars listed for Opus IVS, giving our members a heads up that these webinars are going to become available. Then we've got a discussion on the top down and the launch over the software and encode outcode generation on the Ford brand. The next post, new permission granted. That's another section that we've opened up free of charge for apprentices. Then we've got a thread on a BMW E90 from Soran. Let me just see what I'm trying to remember what that was now. I can't think. I have read it. Then we've got a Mark 7 Golf that won't start, no fault codes, and that's been fixed. Then we've got another question over the validity of using power probes versus test lights. Then we've got a member inquiry over Hella HGS, the data system. Then in our feedback section, one of our members has put a suggestion forward for a waveform library, and we're just currently discussing that. Smart Roadster IMO programming, one of our members there having issues with immobilizer programming on a smart car. Then there's a topic from me on roadside patrols, wanting to know how many AA and RAC patrols. We're going to do something special for them. Slow down, move over, folks. And we've got somebody asking for a Ford radio code. And we've got a great discussion on the 2.2 Mazda exhaust pressure sensor. And we've got another post from me there saying that some user permissions have been changed and upgraded. We've got a discussion in the public area over our virtual academy, the online learning resource. We've got a request for information on a GM transmission. We've also then got another discussion on diagnostic and repair information. Somebody was asking was what's the best to use, where you can get stuff on an hourly or a daily rate. Next page. Pico scope, what to buy, which Pico to buy, where to buy it from. You know what the minimums are that you want. Then we've got a discussion on relay test jumper kits, prompted by my video the other day. Then I put a post up asking where can I get a high spec laptop. Then Joshua started an interesting discussion there on CAN integration. So if you've got, let's say, a BMW engine going into a Land Rover or something like that, how you can actually get the two different manufacturers' models talking to each other over CAN. We've got a Vauxhall Knocker passenger window. Then I've put a post up there highlighting the new videos from Automotive Test Solutions. Bernie Thompson put some great videos out the other day, so we've just brought them up to the members notice. There's another member there asking one of our partners if he can have a custom built decade box. And we've got a request there on i8 ISTA coding. We've got a Mini with water ingress. There's a there's a surprise. So yeah, So all in all, it's quite a busy little group, and it's getting busier by the day. We hit the 1,000 threads, 7,000 posts, 600 members landmark yesterday. So if you're not a member of SimplyDiag, feel free to come and join us. Sign up at www.simplydiag.net. Use the basic free function, and there are 3 public sections for you to see for free. And you can also have a look at the other sections and the thread titles. You cannot see thread content without a paid membership, but you can see the thread titles to give you an idea of the sort of conversations that are going on. So, thanks for watching this. You're awesome.